you. Blog YouTube, we are back with 2010 Elite. How the heck are you, Mr. Adam? No, I don't have any oh shit. I don't have any I'm better now that I saw this next hit. Wow. Who the hell has them? That is nice. Die cut mojo. Nice. Number 20 out of 49. That's nice. That card will have value next year. Mr. Ryan Matthews. Alright, that's a way to start it. Just saying, Mr. T. Bly, that would have value next year, brother. Alright. We got a backwards hit. Yes, it is. Nice. Chain reaction, Mr. Percy Harvin. One of the 3 Vikings that are worth mentioning. 134 out of 299. That damn die cut is something sweet. Oh, nice. We got a Hoff die cut. 39 out of 90. Eli. Nice. No show mojo. I know, man. You're going to have to break the break next month so I can get some hits. Here we go. 454 out of 999. Mr. Breezes. Pay the man. This is a nice box altogether, senor. Too bad it's about to get boring, but what can we do? Devin McCourty for the Pats. 93 out of 499. No show mojo strikes again. No, I mean, we about to run out of hits. That's why I said it could get worse. All the hits was on top. Matt Forte, 716 out of 999. That's a good question. You better call Pawini. Lawan Landry for the Redskins, 746 out of 999. We on the board. Zoning Commission, Mr. Frankie Gore, 125 out of 299. Don't know if I have that one. Thank you. James Starks, insert, 604 out of 999. Pecker Mojo, 363 out of 999 for the Broncos. The White Wes Welker, 407 out of 999. Passing the Torch, 408 out of 999. Michael Crabtree. I don't know. And John Taylor. I just go with off the people who PC him say. Taylor Price, 842 out of 999. Oh, I was about to say, is that a hit? Probably so. Hella thick. You'll laugh when you see the last name of the player. I got really excited because that's all I saw. Mr. Bob Sanders for the Colts. 162 out of 299. Yeah. I only saw the Sanders part. And I was robbed. Oh, nice. 2 out of 999. The up-and-coming beast, Mr. Bowman. Let's see if I can have something in it. Patriots boxes, 861 out of 999. Tommy. Golden Tate, insert, numbered 825 out of 999. That is it for Elite. Thank you for watching.